Yaman-yaman talaga.
Okay, where are we going now? Okay, Betcha, ikaw magsalita ka. Hello, we're going to Seoul. We're going to Samyu. Hi, Ruby. What can you say?
I can say that I am beautiful.
What's your wild reaction, Annalyn?
That's great, and
Do you agree? Of course, Belinda.
She's my good
beautiful.
friend.
Oh, how about you, darling?
if you are a children of God, you are really beautiful.
Amen. Ate Yayet, are you okay?
Well, she's a fuck. I thought you're a fuck.
Moya.
She's a fuck. Are you one of us?
What about you?
She's so stressed.
Selenio?
Ako, wala akong masabi kasi inspired ako.
Gumagalaw. Ang gaganda natin. Ako lang hindi makita sa akin. Umapuso na kayo. Ako na lang.
Hello, sa bangin.
Dili, oy.
Hello, Beth. Alam mo, ang sexy ka na talaga ngayon.
Salamat. Iyan ang pinakamagandang comment na narinig ko.
Yes!
Video ba kay hindi mo mag-react nag-react nag-smile ba kay hindi man good si Betchay bagay magkanta pero pang video na yan
Use Casper, Rana. Use Casper.